Kwame Katana. Gotta give it to you niggas, man. Y'all getting creative with this hating shit, man.
This is G Bell beat.
Princess and Bell V. We gon' get shit right this time around, man. Look. Hey look, I'm tired of this rap shit and all you fake motherfuckers in it. I can't be around these niggas another minute. We had to BM out in Brooklyn and it wasn't rented. They couldn't tell it was Keem shit, how we was stunting in it. Yeah, like we never been in the coupe before. We just tryna win and we not the niggas they rooting for. Wish the roof was off, you niggas stupid soft. Me and X running through Miami like Luke and Ross. I need more clothes and bigger checks. More hoes with fatter asses, bigger breasts. I'm on the phone, conference calls with execs. Put them on hold when one of these thick bitches text. Hello? My bad, that was some bitch I met. But me and my niggas next, talking 7 figures bet. But if not, then fuck it, we at these niggas next. Let's just hope me and your bitch paths never intersect. Fuck nigga, made your whole life up on the internet. I be on the interstate, you pussies never been a threat. Volume 2 is on the way, it'll be here in a sec. We out in Vegas at the tables, X, what you finna bet? Around the time me, Mikey, and Jay was in the jets. Used to ride around with my big brother in the Lex. Now me and him got issues that never been addressed. But I bet you can't tell a nigga stress. Please, my nigga, please don't believe the hype. Money, power, respect, they told us that's the key to life. They gave my best friend an L, probably never reunite. Only see the wrongs, they never point out what we do right. I just wanna get away, I wish I could lead a night. I ain't gotta pay my bitch in Cali and book me the flight. Yeah, nigga, true story. That's the type of shit that my girls just do for me. They like, who's shorty? He's just too sporty. Jeans is 240. Sheesh, you dudes bore me. All that rah-rah, I be in the trap shit. All that not fly, skinny jeans, snapback shit. Fake ass sneakerheads, never been a sex fit. We fresh off 5th Ave, miss me with that swag shit. We been ordered up, you don't shop more than us. My order what you want, we got drinks, pour it up. I remember when these hoes wouldn't stop ignoring us. Give a fuck about a bitch, do it all for the buck. Stunt every chance I get, cause we was poor as fuck. South Florida, flirting with the foreigners. Bagged them later on, called Katie and Lauren up. D, they can't fuck with me, nigga, I'm still warming up. I know your girl saw me on World Star. You know I got happy when she said I looked real tall. I'm a real nigga, so it's hard for me to feel y'all. Got a small foundation, I'm just trying to build off. Locust Street back in 9-4 when the Bills lost. You niggas was sweet back then, and you still soft. We ain't never had nothing but dreams, so you have no idea what the bucks mean. We lust cream, I know niggas that just came home, like what the fuck is a touchscreen? So you know what that must mean. Could never believe my pops, cause on my block we ain't trust fiends. I'm so fashionable, my raps is the truth. I spaz in the booth, chicks get smashed and passed to the crew. I swear when I get on you rap bastards, it's through. The tape is on the way, I got a classic for you. And I don't laugh cause it's funny, I laugh cause it's true. Yeah,